Brother Bong. My dad working abroad. Since my mother passed away, our father remarried. And he didn't know that our stepmother was mistreating us. I want to tell this happened to our father, but I know someday she will accept us. Sometimes it comes to my mind that I also want to have a normal life like other students, but I can't. I'm pressured because I don't know what I need to do. But when I'm going to school, I am happy because I have a chance to don't give up and be brave for every challenge that comes. Always fight because I know every challenge has a reason. And we have been given more reason to continue because of our teacher who pushes us to continue for our dreams.